Union Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy has blamed the Karnataka state government for the tragic stampede near Bengaluru's M. Chinnaswamy Stadium that killed at least 11 people and injured over 33. In a late-night press conference in Delhi, he accused Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar of impatience, immaturity and irresponsibility, demanding his immediate removal from the cabinet.
That is different issue, madam. Mahakum. This is different subject. This is government failure here. That issue is different. That has not happened in Uttar Pradesh. Railway station, it has actually, that incident took place. Here, because of the state government failure, even though they know it, more than 2 lakhs people will gather. They only telling more than 1 lakh crowd in front of KCA Stadium. Police officers advancedly advised when they wanted to conduct a felicitation function in front of Vidhan Saudha and that KCA Stadium, Chinnaswamy Stadium. Police commissioner told it is impossible to give security both the places at a time. Even after his advice, they have neglected and they have done this, continue this program, and all these things because of government misuse, failure of the government, this thing has happened.
Union Minister Prahlad Joshi also reacted, calling the incident very unfortunate.
This type of tragedy is most unfortunate, and the police yesterday, as far as my information goes, they said within a day we cannot arrange this because of the political pressure from the government that has they were forced to accord the permission, which is most unfortunate.
Meanwhile, Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar expressed regret, saying that they are sorry and did not expect something like this would happen.
Again, I am telling on record, my police officers, I should compliment them. Morning also, they advised, they wanted to have a procession, they wanted to bring a vehicle from the airport itself. Our officers guided us, informed us not to bring a open bus. That is why I rushed to the airport and not allowed to see that nothing goes wrong there, because I didn't want them to climb in the bus. Here also, in Vidhan Saudha also, we were very cautious. They closed the doors of the Kabun Park because the moment we were not able to attend the stadium inside, they all are coming here. They closed the door. I myself have witnessed it. So immediately, some protection has been taken place. We are very sorry. ಈ ಥರ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು. We never expected such an incident would have happened.
The stampede occurred on 4th of June outside the stadium, where thousands of fans had gathered to celebrate Royal Challenger Bengaluru's IPL 2025 victory. RCB had finally ended their 18-year wait for the IPL trophy by defeating Punjab Kings by 6 runs in the finals held a day earlier at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. The crowd had gathered to catch a glimpse of their favorite RCB players, but the celebration turned into chaos, leading to a deadly stampede. Shocking and heart-wrenching scenes were captured on the camera. The incident has sparked public outrage and political tensions, raising serious concerns over crowd management and safety arrangements during such events.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.